Hi everyone, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm going to film for you a what I ate today, so come along with me. Let's see what our day's like, and I'm going to turn you around, show you what's in my lunch bag, and I'm going to get right out the door. Okay, so it's a little messy over here, but today in my bag I'm going to have a Light and Fit yogurt, 3 SmartPoints for that. I have 2 SmartPoints of Cinnamon Life cereal that I'm going to throw on top of that just for little crunchies, you know, just for a little more something, you know. I have grapes for a snack. I have a banana for a snack. Apparently I'm planning on being snacky today. An apple for a snack, and then an unsweetened cherry applesauce. Now you're going to notice when I do pack my lunch bag, I always take extra snacks because there's nothing worse than being at work and then falling into the snack machine because you didn't pack enough. Extra baggy, I have no idea why that's out here. I have my gum in my bag. I also keep probiotics. This is a prebiotic probiotic. Just keep a couple extra in my bag so that I don't have to carry the bottle around. I've been taking these. I really like them. I'm not one to take a lot of medicines or anything, but this one seems to be working out really well. My lunch today was leftovers. I have some potatoes. There's actually a piece of chicken in here with a little bit of shake and bake on it, and some corn and green beans. So in my container you have 1 SmartPoint here. I am on the purple plan, just so you know. So 1 SmartPoint here, 5 SmartPoints for my breakfast, that's 6. I'm also going to whip up a smoothie, a protein shake. I'm going to use 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder for 1 point, 1 tablespoon of PB2 for 1 point, and then I'm going to throw in a little bit of cocoa powder. Now, when I get all this together, I'm going to use a 1/2 cup of unsweetened vanilla almond milk and then a 1/2 cup of water, and then that will be it. So I'll mix that up when I get to work, but I just wanted to show you that. Also got to grab a coffee to go. I'm going to do 1 SmartPoint of that, but hold on, I'll take you over here and show you. It's a little darker over here. So I'm going to go ahead and fill up my favorite travel mug. And I'm going to add to that some fat-free Coffee Mate. And again, you can have 1½ tablespoons of this, which is way too much, for 1 SmartPoint. So I could actually do 2 cups of coffee for 1 SmartPoint now versus before. I think it was really pushing on the 3. And then I'm going to add today this Skinny Syrups, the caramel fudge waffle cone. So I'm going to get this done, and I'm going to get my behind out the door because now I'm running late. So stay tuned, I'll take you along with the rest of my day. Okay, so just a quick little recap. I ended my day at 18 SmartPoints, and I was pretty much on track all day. I had spread my points out throughout, you know, just pretty much throughout the day. I ate some of that yogurt. I'm just gonna have to face the fact I am not a yogurt fan. I love my candy apple salad, but that's more of a dessert. But just to eat, I tried to eat the vanilla yogurt. I was not enjoying it, I guess. So why waste my points on something I'm not enjoying? And I'm trying to, I mean, I know yogurt's good for you, but not my thing. So I'm just gonna have to face the facts that I like my overnight oats and maybe just stick with those because it's something I enjoy and it's something I'll actually eat. I probably ate 3 bites and tossed it. It's every bite I took, I'm like, I don't like this. I mean, tell me in the comments if you do that, if you try to force yourself to eat something because you know it's good for you. So I had a Built Bar in my bag at work. So I went ahead and had half the Built Bar. I'm gonna go ahead and count the entire bar because I'll probably finish that later, you know, before I go to bed. And then I had my lunch, just the same lunch that I showed you. I finished my apple. Again, I'll put my tracker below so you'll see everything that I had. And then I filmed my dinner, which I'll put here. I was trying to think if I wanted to stick that beforehand but I'll put it here so that you can see my dinner. Okay, so for dinner, I am going to have some whole wheat pasta. I'm going to add some of this grilled chicken breast strips. That's 0 SmartPoints on the blue and the purple. Pasta, 0 SmartPoints on purple. I'm going to estimate this probably at 8 SmartPoints if you were on blue or green. I'm going to add a little bit of garlic powder for flavor. I'll probably put some salt and pepper on it, and then I'm going to add some of this Parmesan cheese here. So really quick, easy dinner. I did get home from work and I went to the gym, so now I just wanted to throw something together really quick just to kind of eat. And then I'll come back and I'll fill you in on a recap of my day and where I ended up with points. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you shortly. And here's a really quick look of what that looks like. I just tossed everything in together, and then I'm going to grab a fork and I'm going to dig in. Just out of curiosity, while you're trying to eat, do you have this issue? She will put her head in my lap while fully standing up. And I'm not sure if you know, I have a countertop height table, so I have bar stools. So this is how tall my baby is. So she's not begging for food. She's just letting me know just in case I have an extra bite. She's here. So just wanted to show you, she's just checking it out. So my dinner came out to be, I think, 2 or 3 SmartPoints. 2 or 3 points. I don't know if I should still be saying SmartPoints or if I should just be saying points. I'm still trying to figure that out. Got an itch on my nose. So then I was doing really, really good. I was on plan, on point, and then this happened, this here. So I had made these yesterday, and my granddaughter was over, and brownies. I should have known better, but as I was making my dinner, I was hungry. I seen them on the counter. I said, let me have some of this. So 5 SmartPoints for a piece about this size. So count it, I'll move on. It happens. I mean, it happens. So I tracked it. I'm just not gonna even think about it. So activity today. I did really good on my activity today. I went for a walk earlier at work, and then I came home, went to the gym, and then I still have to, I don't think I've shared this yet. I'm doing a 30-day AB workout challenge with my daughter and her friend. So we've been going through this. I think my daughter's on day 22. She had started it beforehand. Not sure where Marissa's at, but I'm actually I finished day 17, so today's gonna be day 18. This is not an easy challenge, and I'm on like beginner level 1. I'll put a screenshot here. Of what I had to do today, just so you can see that. But I'm not cut out for core workouts. I don't know. I mean, if you are out there doing your core workouts, thumbs up to you, because wow, it's tough. So I think that's it. I really didn't have a super exciting day. I have been trying to get more activity in. I've been trying to get more workouts in. I would like to, again, take a few pounds off before summer gets here, just because, boating season. So like to be able to be a little more comfortable in my own skin, especially, you look great in clothes, but bathing suit season, whole nother category. So I think that's about it. I really don't know what else I need to tell you. I think I'll just wrap that up here. So 18 points today, still not too bad. I think that the pasta and the potatoes definitely saved me. I normally don't have that many carbs in one day. I try to one or the other, just so I don't start really relying on those. I am down already a few pounds. I was down almost 5 pounds in January, so super excited about that. So we'll see how well I do in February, and I'll try to start keeping you guys up to date on that. I know I really don't cover my weight a lot in my vlogs or my videos. It's just because 9 times out of 10 I'm maintaining. I'm just kind of going with the flow. But again, I am trying to drop a few pounds, and I've just really ramped up my activity for that. So I think that's it. I'm gonna sign off from here. Hope that you enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned. I'll actually put my tracker at the end. And with that said, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.